My name's John Cunnison. I'm the Chief Investment Officer at Baker Boyer. We've been getting a lot of questions about the coronavirus and the spread of the coronavirus and the impact that it's likely to have on the US economy, the global economy, and on markets. Now, there's a team of us working hard on new developments. We're reading as much as we can and trying to share it with you. There's a couple of things that makes the coronavirus, I think, particularly challenging as a disruptive force in the economy. And that's that it's exogenous, right? It comes from outside of the economy, unlike things like Brexit or currency crises or some of the crises that we dealt with in the European Union 7 or 8 years ago. Those are things that impact aggregate demand, right? Well, we can solve those with some traditional tools like monetary policy and fiscal policy to get the economy moving again. This is a little different, right? The focus of economic stability with an event like this really shifts from economic policymakers and central bankers to epidemiologists and public health workers. So this uncertainty is quite pronounced in a situation like this. Now, one thing that makes the coronavirus a little bit unique from other viruses that we've experienced is that it affects subsets of the population very, very differently. So if you're young and healthy, the coronavirus may have really very little effect on you. It may feel like the common cold or the seasonal flu. Whereas for some of our, the people in our communities who are older or have underlying health conditions, it can be far more serious. As we begin increased testing for the virus, we may find that in order to contain the virus, we have to make a choice, some difficult choices about social distancing. Are we going to go as far as China did and basically quarantine a population of 100 million or something less than that? And what does that look like? Whatever we choose, it's very likely to have economic impacts. It's likely to reduce economic output. What will that reduction be? How will it impact markets? We're going to have to wait to see. But we have been working to address this in clients' portfolios and make sure that they're ready for the volatility that comes, and it will inevitably come over the coming weeks and months as we see hopeful news that buoys markets and perhaps some scarier headlines that cause markets to come down. We'll get through this, right? We've gotten through pandemics before, and typically what we see is that as soon as new cases begin to reduce, markets recover, and they do so quite handily. So as we go through this, we'll continue to update you. The team at Baker Boyer will continue to work hard. If you have any questions, please reach out and talk with any member of your team. In the meantime, let's all give each other a little grace and wash your hands. So take care, stay healthy.